काँग्रेस पक्षाक गोंयचे लोक रावल्यात आदले परस बरें सरकार दितले म्हूण लोकांनी आशा बाळगिल्या। काँग्रेस पक्षाक युती करपाची गरज ना, काँग्रेस स्वबळाचेर वेंचणूक लडोवपाक समर्थ आसा अशें काँग्रेसीचे म्हणयारे ट्राजानो डिमेलो हांणी सांगलां। आरडीएक्स गोवाचे कार्यकारी संपादक सुभाष नायक हांणी घेतिल्ल्या राजमाची ह्या मुलाखतीत ते उलयताले। ही मुलाखत तुमकां आयतारा सकाळचे 1:30 दनपारचे 1 आनी सांजेचे 7 आनी रातच्या 9 वरांचेर पळोवपाक मेळटली। आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
एनसीपीन यू वर द म्हणजे आता येवच्या पयलीं काँग्रेसीन परत यू आर द किंग ओवर देर, यू आर द वॉयस ऑफ एनसीपी। कितें जालें बाब ट्राजन बाब एनसीपी सोडपाक पडटी?
See, as I just told you, for me, Gadbandhan was important, but a Gadbandhan of marriage. Don't have honeymoon and say I don't want to marry. E culture nu amchi. What we are saying, all come under the banner. If you don't like this banner, why you want to have an alliance with us? And what is this alliance? After getting, you want to have honeymoon with me, you don't want to get married with me. And then you will get 2-3 people will get elected, and then you will join whomever you want. The other day, forget Kejriwal is on
alliance करपा शिवाय पर्याय ना आतांची स्थिती अशी आहा। आर यू फॉर अलायन्स और आता लुईजन बाब म्हणटा आणि दिग्विजय सिंग म्हणटा की आम्ही एकटेच
alliance with whom? Tell me.
एनसीपी देर आय थिंक आता हेमूच बरोवंक ना की एनसीपी नांवूच
एनसीपी कडे वतले, लेट अस पुट इट। आनी कोणा कडेन वतले?
आतांची नेवे गोवा फॉरवर्ड जाले।
अरे खंय अरे गोवा फॉरवर्ड? खंय अरे where is that Goa forward? Tell me. I'll ask you one simple question. These 3 MLAs claim to be together. Have they any time, unofficially also, declared that so and so is a leader? To whom do you talk to? Have they declared that leader? I am saying declare Vijay as the leader. Then we shall talk to him. We'll talk today to Vijay. Rohan says, I don't know what you spoke. Naresh says, I am thinking of something else. He is bringing a Marathi resolution. So what are the principles you write? Just to get power? No. We are not, Congress is not to come to power to loot again. Please. We have to promise the people, and people are having expectations that now the Congress will give us something better than what we saw before.